Have you ever wondered what separates millionaires from everyone else? It is not just about having a high income. It is about a specific mindset and a set of habits that they live by every single day. Forget the get-rich-quick schemes you have seen online. Today, we are diving deep into 10 powerful money lessons, straight from the playbooks of self-made millionaires, that you can start applying right now to transform your financial future. And trust me, some of these might surprise you. Lesson number 1, millionaires do not just save money. They weaponize their savings. What does that mean? While most people save for a rainy day or a vacation, millionaires save with the specific intention of investing. Every dollar they put aside is seen as a soldier, ready to go out into the battlefield of the market to capture more territory, which is more money. They have a savings rate that would shock most people, often putting away 50% or more of their income. But they do not see it as deprivation. They see it as building their army. Are you just saving, or are you building an army? Second, they master the art of asymmetric risk. This sounds complicated, but the idea is simple. They look for opportunities where the potential upside is massive, but the potential downside is small and capped. Think of a small investment in a startup. You might only lose your initial investment, but if that company becomes the next big thing, your return could be 100 or even 1,000 times your investment. They are not taking wild gambles. They are making calculated bets where the odds are heavily stacked in their favor. They ask, what is the most I can lose? And if they are comfortable with that answer, they consider the massive potential upside. Lesson 3 is a big one for 2025 and beyond. They invest heavily in their human capital. Your ability to earn money is your single greatest asset. Millionaires are obsessed with learning. They are not just reading books. They are buying courses, hiring coaches, and attending masterminds to acquire high-value skills. Skills like artificial intelligence integration, advanced digital marketing, or persuasive communication can dramatically increase your earning potential. While others are spending money on entertainment, millionaires are investing in skills that will pay dividends for the rest of their lives. Next, lesson 4, they build multiple, unrelated income streams. You have heard about multiple income streams, but the key word here is unrelated. Having a job and a side hustle that depends on that same job is risky. If you lose your job, you might lose both. Millionaires cultivate income from completely different areas. For example, an income from a software business, rental income from real estate, and dividend income from stocks. This way, if one stream dries up due to market changes or unforeseen circumstances, the others keep flowing, protecting their wealth like a fortress. Lesson 5 might be my favorite. They live a stealth wealth lifestyle. Forget the flashy cars and designer clothes you see on social media. Most real millionaires, the ones with lasting wealth, are incredibly discreet. They drive reliable cars, live in modest homes, and avoid lifestyle inflation. Why? Because every dollar they do not spend on impressing others is another dollar they can invest to work for them. They understand that true wealth is not what you show. It is what you own. It is the assets working for you 24/7 that build your freedom, not the liabilities that drain your bank account. How many of your current expenses are for showing off versus living well? Think about it. Coming in at number 6, millionaires do not budget. They automate their financial plan. Budgeting can feel restrictive and tedious, which is why most people fail at it. Instead, millionaires design a system. They set up automatic transfers from their checking account on payday. A percentage goes directly to their investment accounts, another to a high-yield savings account, and another to a future opportunities fund. The money they need to live on is what is left. They pay themselves first, automatically, removing willpower and emotion from the equation. This simple shift from manual budgeting to automated wealth building is a game changer. Lesson 7. They understand and leverage good debt. Most people are taught that all debt is bad. But millionaires know there is a crucial difference between good debt and bad debt. Bad debt is using a credit card to buy a television or a fancy dinner. It is borrowing money to consume. Good debt is borrowing money to acquire an asset that will generate income or appreciate in value. Think of a mortgage on a rental property where the tenant's rent covers the payment and more, or a business loan to purchase equipment that increases production and profits. They use other people's money to build their own wealth. Number 8 is a mindset shift. They think in decades, not days. In our world of instant gratification, it is easy to get caught up in short-term market fluctuations and daily news cycles. Millionaires play the long game. They make investment decisions based on a 10, 20, or even 30-year horizon. They are not worried about a market dip this week because they are confident in the long-term growth of their well-chosen assets. This long-term perspective allows them to remain calm during volatility and avoid making emotional decisions that destroy wealth. Are your financial goals measured in months or in decades? Lesson number 9. They build a personal board of directors. No successful person gets there alone. Millionaires surround themselves with a team of trusted advisors. This is not just a financial planner. It is often a tax strategist, a lawyer, a mentor in their field, and a network of other successful peers. They actively seek out people who are smarter than them in specific areas and are willing to pay for top-tier advice. This team helps them see blind spots, navigate complex situations, and seize opportunities they might have missed on their own. Your network truly is your net worth. And finally, lesson number 10. They practice radical generosity. This might seem counterintuitive, but many of the wealthiest people are also the most generous. They understand that money is a tool not just for personal gain but for creating impact. But it is more than just philanthropy. The act of giving seems to shift their mindset from one of scarcity to one of abundance. They see the world as full of opportunities, and they believe in the flow of money. By giving, they create goodwill, build a positive reputation, and often, unexpectedly, open doors to new business opportunities and relationships. It reinforces the idea that they have more than enough, which is the ultimate definition of being rich. So there you have it. 10 powerful, actionable lessons from the people who have already mastered the money game. It is not about a single secret. It is about building a system of habits and a powerful mindset. Start with one. Pick the one that resonates most with you and implement it this week. Then add another. Small, consistent actions are what build extraordinary results over time. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this valuable, please give this video a like and, more importantly, subscribe to the channel for more content designed to help you build real, lasting wealth. Hit that notification bell so you do not miss a thing. I would love to hear from you in the comments. Which one of these 10 lessons are you going to implement first? See you in the next video.